In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say too and also in Japanese. Let's get started. You already know.
A は X です。
To say B is X too, just replace ha with mo.
B も X です。
That's it. Let's try it.
みの先生は日本人です。
Mino sensei is Japanese.
田中さんも日本人です。
Tanaka-san is Japanese too. Ha becomes mo. Mo works with things too.
これはペンです。
This is a pen.
それもペンです。
That is also a pen. Korewa becomes soremo. Let's compare ha and mo. Ha marks the topic of the sentence. Mo means also or too and replaces ha directly. Mo also works with negative sentences.
これはジュースじゃないです。
This is not juice.
それもジュースじゃないです。
That is not juice either. In negative sentences, mo means either. One more example.
みの先生は先生です。
Mino sensei is a teacher.
田中さんも先生です。
Tanaka-san is also a teacher. Quick quiz. This is a fish. How do you say, that is also a fish? Pause and try.
それも魚です。
That is also a fish. Great. Now let's practice more. Alright, let's practice. Ready? Emma is American. How do you say, Mike is also American? Pause and try.
マイクさんもアメリカ人です。
Mike is also American. Nice. Next, this is coffee. How do you say, that is also coffee? Pause and try.
それもコーヒーです。
That is also coffee. Great. Now a negative sentence. Mino sensei is not a student. How do you say, Tanaka-san is not a student either? Pause and try.
田中さんも学生じゃないです。
Tanaka-san is not a student either. You got it. Last challenge. How do you say, Momo is also a cat? Pause and try.
ももも猫です。
Momo is also a cat. Well done. Let's review.
は
Marks the topic.
も
Means to, also, or either, just replace ha with mo. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Japanese lessons. I'm now teaching Japanese online on Preply. Check the link in the description. See you in the next lesson.